In this video, we will talk about the benefits of olive oil body massage and the correct way to do it. Olive oil is one of the most important natural preparations that are extensively used in the different health problems that affect the human body. This is because it has got high therapeutic properties besides containing high levels of acid, minerals, salts, and a number of essential vitamins. Thus, olive oil is the most important therapeutic ingredient in alternative medicine used since ancient times. Now we will show you the benefits of massaging some areas of the body using olive oil, which helps in treating the inflammation of body joints in general, and also helps in getting rid of shoulder, spine, back, and neck pain. Also, it effectively helps stimulate blood circulation and very importantly, it widens the blood vessels as well. Therefore, making massage by targeting some areas will boost blood vessels performance, which means that it's also useful for couples. It also helps in treating headaches and relieve or soothe their pain, as it contains the necessary compounds that work to relieve pain. Olive oil body massage gives a feeling of relaxation and mitigates the nervous and psychological pressure. Not to forget that it helps regulating your sleep patterns and works to treat skin cracks by massaging the affected areas. Olive oil body massage works to renew damaged or dead skin cells. It also works to tighten the skin and causes the skin pores to open in order to eventually expel toxins from them. In general, it deeply cleanses the skin from dirt and impurities that cause the closing of the skin pores. And for this reason, the olive oil massage is also useful in preventing the appearance of pimples of all kinds. This is because it contains high levels of vitamin C, which possesses anti-inflammatory and allergic properties of various kinds and contains natural antibiotics. It can be said that it significantly treats many diseases by preventing bacterial, fungal, or microbial infections, as it directly eliminates smelly sweat and body odor. And very importantly, it helps in improving the performance of the respiratory system through massaging the chest area. Last but not least, massaging your body with olive oil will unexpectedly delay the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and premature graying of hair. It is especially very useful for hair, as it disposes of dandruff, split ends, and prevents hair loss. Finally, what is the correct way to do olive oil body massage? Put a significant amount of olive oil on the palm of your hand. Then you have to focus on massaging the affected areas or the areas you need to energize. Do the massage in one direction or in a circular direction for a period of at least 20 minutes. Use your fingers or the palm of your hand if you want to increase the efficiency of the massage. Keep on doing olive oil body massage on a regular basis, and we guarantee that you will find yourself in a better health state, an overall better person. You will definitely notice the difference. Here are some important notes. 1. The best time for massaging is either in the early morning or in the evening before going to sleep. 2. Try to use only virgin olive oil. It is especially recommended for people who suffer from certain diseases like epilepsy, muscle tear, fever, and even some types of cancer. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with them. Stay healthy.